So yeah, there's that kind of sense of what our spiritual practice does, is it starts breaking down ways that, you know, all of us collectively and culturally have squeezed ourselves into certain boxes to, you know, be accepted and to be able to like challenge that and come into more aligned, authentic truth. And then we also, obviously I spoke a little bit about releasing that sense of separation. And when we release our sense of separation, then we realize how deeply interconnected we all are, and that I can't just make a action and a decision just for myself without recognizing that it impacts other people. And, you know, when we are doing the practice from a good place, ideally, then we have a desire for, you know, creating more love and thriving in the world. So then we're going to be a lot more aware of the way that our actions impact other people, and we'll want to take actions that benefit more people. And then we also start to notice that, you know, we're not separate from nature. So we're going to do our best to protect nature and respect nature and not objectify it and make it an other, because we know that it's not a simple line of like, this is me and that's that. It's like, wow, we're like so deeply enmeshed in the pattern with everything else